Hi, I'm Alexa Torres.
I'm Aiden Herrera.
And my name is Tom Compton, and I'm from the great state of California.
I'm not really big into big screaming matches, arguments, so it's really nice to be in a place where you can just talk to people that are from all over the country and just get down into really big issues without it turning into something that's personal, but still bringing your unique perspective to it.
When I visited DC originally, it very much felt like we were just hopping to and from places and exploring really cool sites. But at Close Up, I was challenged to think about justice at the MLK Memorial, equality at the FDR Memorial, and liberty at the Thomas Jefferson Memorial, which really makes those visits not just an opportunity to take pictures and hang out with friends, but an opportunity to really consider political issues at each and every site.
The most memorable singular moment was walking through the Senate office building. We walked by Senator Ted Kennedy's office. He came out and said, "Come on in." And he brought us in his office and talked to us for a while. We took pictures. That was kind of the most moving moment I had on the trip. And it left me with a sense that the government is accessible to all of us. It was just there, and we're right there with it behind the scenes talking to people as they have to rush off to a meeting. Or it made me understand more why our government was set up with all the checks and balances. It's meant to slow things down a tad so that both sides can get their input and hopefully come up with something that works.